Paul Moore here from IGN. We are at CES 2023 checking out the Vive XR Elite from HTC. This is a brand new VR AR headset, and this is unlike anything that I have worn before. Let's go check it out. The Vive XR Elite is much more compact compared to more traditional VR headsets, with a front section that's closer to a large pair of goggles as opposed to a big brick in front of your face. The battery is located on the back of the headrest, shifting most of the weight to the back of your head. At 625 grams, it's heavier than the 503 gram Meta Quest 2, but shifting that weight towards the rear makes it less cumbersome to wear. Despite its smaller size, the XR Elite is a capable headset for gaming thanks to a 4K total resolution, that is 2K per eye, with a 90Hz refresh rate and 110-degree field of vision. The headset features a Snapdragon XR2 chipset with 12GB of RAM and 120GB of storage for games and content locally on the headset. Of course, you can also connect to a gaming PC over USB-C for a higher performance desktop-powered VR experience. The battery is rated for 2 hours and it offers 30-watt fast charging, which should give you a half battery charge in about 30 minutes. Without the battery pack, such as when you're connected to a PC or phone, the Vive XR Elite weighs a mere 0.53 pounds or 240 grams. For added comfort, the XR Elite has a removable fabric gasket that's easy to clean and switch out. Each eye also has built-in diopters, which means that people who wear glasses will be able to take them off, but still see images clearly on the headset. The XR Elite uses inside-out tracking similar to headsets like the Quest 2, with a number of cameras located on the goggles to track both your controllers as well as map the world around you for augmented reality games or applications. One game demo that I played was a bullet hell shooter that was a lot like a traditional light gun shooter, except my avatar was a small action figure perched on my firing hand, and I had to move it around to dodge incoming enemy attacks. That was also an augmented reality game, so I actually saw the walls around me and little portals would open up where the enemies would pop out to attack. There are speakers built into the rear housing, which provides spatial audio for games and video. I wasn't particularly blown away by the audio quality, but I will say we were testing the XR Elite in a loud, crowded room, so it was pretty difficult to pay attention to the audio coming from the headset anyway. In another demo, I experienced an audio tour through the Notre-Dame Cathedral, while in another I paddled a kayak with a special paddle that had been equipped with sensors in order to track its movements. Of course, the kayak paddle is sold separately. The Vive XR Elite will cost $1,099 and will be on store shelves this February. So for everything else in the world of games and VR, keep it right here on IGN.